वीडियो बना रहे हैं रोटी ना है रोटी इसको देखो मुझे जी माय फ्रेंड कुलदीप how we can prepare a chapati okay
Chotu.
go near
Huh? Hello sir. This is the way where how can you make chapati?
Chapati for you.
First of all, you have to make it like this kind of roll, and then you can use this table and by this ruler, you can just roll the.
you need to
roll.
press that
Okay, you have to a big pressure, and for anti-friction, you have to use this kind of
flour
floor. Okay. After that you can. Then the next process will be explained by Professor Ratan Mawat.
yeah
Okay.
after that you have to put the chapati on this
Hot tawa.
This
Hot
hot
pan.
tawa.
Hot
Hot
pan.
pan. after that that will like you need to see that that is not cooked or like it should be hot see the chest
I can't spread my hand.
Yeah.
Actually, the hot pan is very near from my the right hand, so that's the reason. Otherwise, don't look like this, you know.
He looks like Iron Man.
You're
No,
not
no.
Iron Man. A normal human being
Yes.
who having joined a gym from last 2 months, and I can improve this kind of dola.
yeah. you can see that this is the muscles you can see that
Yeah, the
improvement
tricep is
can you
also
see
here.
that this is-
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And the forearm actually, I gave a gap of 1 month. That's why my forearm is going. Otherwise, they are like this. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
you can see that this is chest see the chest see the size
It's not like 30 to 36. It's a chest, not a breast.
yeah it's not a breast
It's not a main boob. If you wanna see main boob, then you can see the movie Meet the Spartans.
Saran.
Exactly.
oh really
The king